Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the seat heater fuse is located on this 2003 Audi A6. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps me out a lot. So we're going to come over here to the driver's side door. Right behind this panel is your fuses. So you're just going to pry and pull. Then you have access to your fuse panel right here. So this is a 30 amp fuse all the way in the bottom corner right here. So this 30 amp fuse right here controls all of the heated seats in your car, front and rear. So I will have some fuses linked down in the description below that you can get on Amazon if you want to. But if this video is helpful to you, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching and have a good one.